I'm going out with my friends. So I'm taking you with me. Mangukay, may Mangukay. Whoa, oh my gosh, it's super cold. Belaan sih hari benda.
May laki nga na pato.
Hoy gilantan lagi ka.
Kisa ako?
Dahil lagi na imong singog.
Sipon ko.
Da kalagan man. Tama, gwapa kay sila oh. Nang lipstick lagi mo karon ako kapanukada. Tanawa sagod ni akong anak-anak oh. Ano, gwapa kayo siya oh. Okay. Aw siya oh. Yeah. Uy, imbe. Sa eyes can.
It's okay.
Saan? Eyes can. Libay rin yung korta ba? Sa? Okay, good. Ilap din yung korta na ba? Di ko na lang. Barcelona po. Uy, yun, ang ihang sukod yun, murag maigo na to yun.
Saan yung sukod niya?
Actually, kana ihang sukod sa ihang lawas. Pila magid ko sa imong plano sa oton.
Dalawa no.
Ayot, gwapa kayo kana pag muadto sa Barcelona yot. Kana siya cute. Ay dili oy taas man katong isa kay bubo ba paabot sa Kigol.
Basaha.
Amok manggod kay ni sila no. Nani dudong oh, namata na si Dodong. So cute.
Naglupay man gani, may mong kwata.
Nangukay naman ng ganing menu kay wala may mga kwarta o niya karon inyo nga pangayuan.
Palit na lang.
Mana namin nangukay o niya namin balik ha. Karon taon-taon kinahurot na mong kwarta. Bye.
Baka Martina ba?
Buang man siguro ni siya ba? Kuan magunang basket maguna dili.
Pero kana akong paliton.
Makawata na di man nabaligya. Guwapa kayo lang sa amin ba? Atora yu to?
Naron tag G's.
Basi ini oh. Uy.
Di na ko, wala ko'y kwarta. Nahurot na sa okay ni Mal.
Buwang na dito.
Ngaon na nga ngaon me.
Indonesia. Agi.
Gipang gutom eh.
Kayo nga.
Gipang gutom
Kayo
eh.
nga na ako ibit-bit gatay.
Gutom man ba umano ko ukay. Nadako ng baby oh. Karon pa ko hibaw ba nga. Ang fries pwede day butangan og paminta. Ngay kaya dami. So I'm finally back home. It's crazy outside. It's super cold and after we go to the ukay, the thrift. It's not actually it is actually not a shop or something. It is actually a place for students, and then students could sell their old clothes or something like that. Just whatever they think they can have on sale. So it was actually so packed, as you can see from the video. I actually bought so much. I actually spent around 200 kroners, and yeah, I was actually thinking like, okay, I should not spend because I'm actually saving up for something in the Philippines, but I really like them. So yeah, let me show you what I got from the ukay place. I guess the lighting is already okay, but of course you cannot see anything from the background. I don't know how to set my lighting. Anyway, so first off, I got this bag. This is actually really big, and this is the brand is Day. And here in Denmark, this cost a lot. This is, I think it's around 500 or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, around there. It's quite expensive. And I got this one for 20 kroners. The second one, I got these Adidas shoes. It's actually very nice looking still. It doesn't look like it's so used. And I haven't actually tried them, but I know that I could fit them based on the size. I got this one. I could have my phone. I could have a lip balm. I don't comb my hair, so I don't have any reason to have a big bag for the girly stuff, you know. And I got these. This one. I'm so obsessed with like little pouches or wallets or bags, like little bags. I'm so obsessed with that, and I don't know why, but yeah, I love them so much. This one, I got this one. It's metallic, and this actually is new. So yes, that's all I got for today, and I think I spent around 200 kroner. So that's around, no, we should not convert it to Philippine money because then it doesn't make sense, because I am living here in Denmark anyway. So yeah, for people who live in Denmark, you have already saved a lot, because let's just say for just a pair of shoes, you can hardly find a nice pair of shoes for 200. You could save a lot of money. You just have to be patient going around and looking for the stuff that you like, and it's quite fun to do it. I really love ukay. I love it so much. Anyway, I'm going to clean around a little bit, and then after that, yeah, we'll see if I will still be back. I'm still doing these cake toppers. I think that's what my sister called it. It is a gum paste, and then you will form like animals or something like that. I will show you. Look at the mess that I have in here. Look at that. I was live last night, and then I was making these two. Oops. Let me show you. Yep. I was making these two last night. I'm gonna go clean up a little bit and wait for the wash to start. And then yesterday was actually my sister's birthday. So happy birthday. Happy birthday. Babush.
Baby! Baby! Is she there?
No, I'm taping.
No, you're videotaping.
Yeah.
You cannot see us also.
I just woke up from a nap and I just got home. And I think we are going to go out to fish. In the cold. Freeze our asses.
If I'm not too lazy.
Yeah. New subscriber. Wins and Ed's Monkit subscribe to your channel. Hello to you. You're so stupid.